Hello there, this is Sal from DSI and you are watching to my weekly blog. And today I'm here to bring some great news for you. It all started 6 or 7 months ago when I was looking on one of the cases submitted. By the way, thank you so much for sending us the cases. It helps a lot to other DSI users to see the possibilities of what can be done with the DSI products. And we post all of the cases on the Facebook and Instagram pages. If you still haven't visited them and subscribed, this is a good opportunity to do so. You could go, see yourself, comment, and of course, send us more cases. So the case was pretty much nicely done. It was frontal 8, one of the two teeth, made with the DSI tie-based screw retainer restoration, of course. And for the final delivery, the DSI zirconia 4D was used. So it was really high-end level of multi-layer, multi-shading. Very nicely done, as I said, but the only thing that looked like it needed an urgent improvement was the screw channel. Screw channel direction was going through the facial aspect of the teeth. And yes, I understand that sometimes it's hard to avoid, and yes, angulated implant placement is the way to go. It allows you to use longer implants to put in the way that you could avoid the band manipulations and sinus lifting in some cases. But boy, this is the central of the most aesthetic zone ever. So in this case, you need to use the composite to conceal the hole, and composite will, on the long run, it will be, could stain differently. And in the short run, if you need to do some maintenance or things like that, or reseating, you need to remove everything and put again. This is a long and hard project of achieving this multi-layer shading with the composite, so it was just blend with the zirconia. So before that, the two options that I would suggest to the doctor is to use the absolutely custom-made lab abutment, or they just go old school with the fixed cemented restoration. But not today. I'm very glad and excited to introduce the DSI angulated screw channel tie-based line. So yes, using the same library from the DSI Exocad in 3-shape, in this case, you could avoid all this from happening by tilting the screw channel from the facial through the incisor inside the lingual zone up to 25 degrees of screw channel redirections. So stay with me and I will explain you everything and show how easy it will be to tilt the screw channel.
DSI is proud to introduce, finally, the most flexible angulated channel access. Off-axis engagement, with specially developed driver and screw, freedom to redirect the screw access hole from 0 to 25 degrees. DSI, angled titanium bases, are developed to offer a complete solution for prostheses needing an angulated screw channel due to an unfavorable position of a dental implant. Discrete access cavity, hide it on a lingual side. With DSI angled titanium bases, they allow you to tilt the screw channel of your restorations so that the screw exit is located in its ideal position for aesthetic and functional results. Uncompromised aesthetics in the anterior region, with screw hole placed lingually. Smaller screw access channel reduce the risk of chipping, leaving more space for restoration. Easy access and improved functionality in the posterior zone. Improved occlusal function. The ideal position of the screw channel exit helps to achieve strength and longevity. Available in both engaging and non-engaging versions, which allows for single as well as multiple dental restorations. The angled tie bases are made of titanium grade 5 and can be used with our standard digital libraries. This is our answer to the increasing demand for angulated screw channel solutions. Off-axis drivers with a 1.7 ballpoint hex tip provide a strong grip and up to 25 degrees angle of approach to cis CA screws. A concave profile enables subcrestal placement with reduced hard tissue manipulation and is optimized for aesthetic areas. Brought to you by DSI.